MILF, the chairman of the MILF panel has chosen not to attend any of our hearings so far. I wanted yesterday, gusto ko sanang hinihingi, magpaliwanag kayo kung ano ibig sabihin yan. Kaya tinatanong ko, nagkikera pa tayo o talagang we are at the ceasefire. So what does it mean? Hindi nga, wala nga, kaya nga it's not helpful na hindi pumupunta si Chairman Iqbal dito para mag-testify sa mga hearings. So, but again, it sounds to me like, kasi sinasabi that the MILF was formed as a revolutionary organization, and it was formed as a revolutionary organization to fight the government in its secessionist movement. So, ang sinasabi, my reading is that pareho pa rin. They are still of the same status. They are still of the same nature. So they are still fighting the government for secession. My interpretation, baka nagkakamali naman ako sa interpretation ko. Sana nga nandito si Chairman Iqbal para to explain talaga kung what our interpretation. I think I can say that the majority, if not all of the senators, seem to agree with me na they were that they maintained their warlike or belligerent stance, which was part of the organization.
So with that statement, ang MILF, malabo ba yung chance na mag-resume yung hearing sa BBI?
I don't think there's an effect. What the effect? Wala naman siguro effect sa scheduling ng hearing. Pero ang effect niyan ay wala na ng tiwala ang taong bayan sa proseso ng kapayapaan. To issue these provocative statements was totally unnecessary, and it doesn't help the peace process at all. So sana hindi na nangyari yan. Sana paliwanag lang ang chairman kung bakit hindi siya makarating. That would have been sufficient. It is extremely provocative. Marami nang maayaw sa PBL. Paano ngayon natin ipapagpatuloy yung peace process kung parang nantuduro pa? So it just wasn't helpful, and it would have been better. Siguro kung nandito sana si Chairman Iqbal o yung kanyang official na representative, maganda sana kung nandun siya para makapagpaliwanag kung ano pa talagang kahulugan ng kanyang statement. Pero hindi, so we have to just make our own interpretation. Ang unanimous ang lahat, nagkaroon ng interpretation sa kanilang yung sulat na binasa sa hearing doc.
Sir, kayo po ba personally nag-give up na sa BBI?
Ako?
Yes po.
Ako, delikado ang status talaga ng BBL. But I have been yung pananaw ko sa aking role dito ay hindi lamang BBL kundi peace process. So I have not given up on the peace process.
So according to Senator Escudero, kung with the present form ng BBL niya nabobotohan, na naman daw mabasura yung BBL.
Totoo yan, both houses. Both houses of Congress, pag nagbotohan ngayon, and I dare say, not only this version, pero baka kahit anong version sa ngayon, dahil maiinit ang, siyempre, emotions are running high. And it is against the MILF because of the atrocities that were committed against our police.
Sir, but while we are suspended, sir, yung hearings dito sa House tuloy-tuloy, and then sabi daw ni House Speaker Del Monte, madidelay lang sila, pero ipapasa na. Does that somehow pressure the Senate? Ikaw na rin
iba yung nabasa ko. Nung nabasa ko, sabi ni Speaker that the BBL is dying. Yun ang kanyang statement na nabasa kahapon yata yun. And yung siyempre kausap ko yung ating mga counterparts sa House. Ganun din ang kanilang assessment. Ang assessment nila, kung kahit na anong BBL ang isalang ngayon, pag ibinoto yan, tali yan. Hindi makakalusot.
So BBL is dying na talaga siya?
I don't know about dying, but it is in a coma.
So, sir, why in a coma?
Yeah.
Sir, why in a coma?
Dahil tigil lahat. Tigil lahat. All of the legislative process has been stopped. Ano? Ito masapan. Very clearly. Dahil everybody, maalala ninyo, yung BBL, tayo-tayo na nag-uusap tungkol dyan eh. Ngayon, ng bansa, pinag-uusapan yung BBL, pinag-uusapan ng peace process, pinag-uusapan ng MILN. So, the general sentiment nga, dahil nga, out of sympathy sa ating mga pulis, is bakit natin itutuloy yan dahil yung mga ka-negotiate natin ganito ang ginagawa. So that's something that we have to regain the trust of the people. Kasi kahit na suportado ng mga legislator, kung ayaw ng taong bayan, hindi magsusunod yan.
Sir, why get the explanation of Isalta about yung revolutionary group? Di ba malabong usapan na yan, sir, na nasa gitna kayo ng peace process kasi sa nila, they're a revolutionary group?
Sa pagbasa ko, malabong talaga. Pero baka naman may iba silang ibig sabihin na hindi naman ganun ka-provocative. So sana nandun sila para ipaliwanag na sa akin.
Sir, tingin niyo,
Depende talaga doon sa kung anong pag-uusapan. Kung talagang sa mga state secret ang pag-uusapan, kung mga operational details ang pinag-uusapan on the government side, papayag naman siguro mga senador mag-executive session. Pero hindi naman maaari na lahat ng testimony ng MILF is in executive session. That is the precise function of the public hearing, is para maimpormahan ng publiko, public nga, maimpormahan ng publiko kung ano ba talaga ang nagiging proseso. Hindi lang sa BBL, pero lahat ng patas, lahat ng investigasyon, kung ano yung proseso na ginagawa at sinasagawa dito sa
So, have you seen the video?
Yun.
the latest.
Sir, yung buhay pa yung mga pulis na labi. Does that worsen the playing field for DDL? Lalo kung MILF.
Paglabas ng video.
It is such a gruesome, horrible piece of video that I still cannot process it. Thank you.
Mga kaibigan ko.